Assalamu alaikum. Today I am giving you a lecture on nutrition in plants. So the learning objective is what are life processes, what is nutrition, types of nutrition, plant nutrition, photosynthesis, steps in photosynthesis. We will discuss all of these over here. Now what are life processes? As you all know that life process is necessary to maintain and continue our life. For this, many things are important that are given below: nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, movement, reproduction. What is nutrition? The process by which an organisms take food and utilize it for their upcoming events of their life. It is called nutrition. Nutrition is necessary to perform activities, to reproduce, and to grow and to repair. Types of nutrition. There are two types of nutrition, that are autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutritions are those in which plants prepare their food by their own. And in heterotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which an organism takes फूड फ्रॉम अनदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, मीन्स कि इसमें जो है वो दूसरों से अपना फूड हासिल करते हैं, खुद नहीं बनाते, एज इन ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. नाउ व्हाट इज प्लांट न्यूट्रिशन? ग्रीन प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर देयर फूड बाय देयर ओन in the presence of sunlight, because you all know that sunlight provides energy, carbon dioxide and water for the making of food. Now why is photosynthesis important? Because photosynthesis is important in the ecosystem because it indirectly depends on green plants for food. The process of photosynthesis also help in maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. Photosynthesis. Now what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which light energy absorbed by chlorophyll and it's transformed into chemical energy to make carbohydrates, water and carbon dioxide. In this process, oxygen is released. Now what are the steps in photosynthesis? The very first step is that sunlight activates chlorophyll, which leads to splitting of water molecules, as we see in earlier slide that water molecule is split. The hydrogen released by splitting of water molecule utilized for reduction of carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrates. Oxygen is the byproduct of photosynthesis as it is released. Carbohydrate is subsequently converted into starch and is stored in leaf for further processing as a food. Other steps are part of dark reaction. As you know, in photosynthesis there are two reactions: light reactions and dark reactions. What are the conditions necessary for photosynthesis? Means what are necessary for photosynthesis reaction? That is sunlight, chlorophyll, which is a green pigment, carbon dioxide, water and very important, the suitable temperature. In sunlight, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide are the most important part of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water carbon dioxide from atmosphere through stomata to the rest of the plants, means carbon dioxide enter in the plants through stomata. Now what are guard cells? As you know, plants are also living organisms, as human breathe and sweat, as same as plants breathe and sweat through their stomata. Now guard cells have a very important job because by opening and closing stomata, because gaseous exchange is carried over here. This is the structure of guard cells. This is the surface view, the very first one. It is also mentioned in the slide, and the next one is the cross section, means cut it in the half and the picture is taken. Now other materials are also needed for plants. The main ones are discussed, like carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, sunlight, but others are also very important, like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, that which they take up from the soil. Nitrogen is an essential element used in the synthesis of proteins and other compounds. is taking up in the form of nitrates and nitrites. This is all. Thank you.